Okay. Hi there. This is Venkat here. I'm going to tell a known story in an imaginary way. Uh, Rabbit and a turtle race. Okay. So a turtle was having its fun day on the pond and walking by, having its fish, and talking to its friends, saying it's wonderful day to be on the pond. As it was walking along, it saw some rabbits talking to each other, making fun, making laughing at each other. So the turtle was trying to Peter, the turtle was trying to make friends with the rabbit. So Peter says, "Hello there," and the rabbit says, "Hello, how are you?" And Peter says, how is your day going?" And the rabbit says, Rabbit the George says, "It is great. Uh, Seems like you are walking slow, so you might not enjoy it as much as we do." And they started laughing at it. Now the turtle, as they see each other, and was little pissed the way the rabbit said it, and Peter was just trying to be friendly with the rabbit. Now the rabbit was not consciously doing it, which the turtle did not like it. So they started to having a conversation in a fierce manner, saying that let's have a race, see who goes first. Rabbit says, "We have a past. We all know who goes first. Do you still want to give a try?" "Yes, let's give a try," Peter says. "Let's schedule a date and have a race." So they all agreed for a race in the evening at 5, and they departed their ways. And the turtles came along, sat together, started talking, saying, "We all know how it's going to end. Do we really need to do this? It is so embarrassing for us." So that is when Peter said, "We have our turbo turtle. We know about him, how fast he is, how good he is. We can give it a try." Now, not everyone knows Turbo Turtle. Turbo Turtle, in short, is a movie in which the turtle has some power in it where it is able to run as fast as good as a race car. So now the rabbit was not aware. So by the evening when the race was set and everyone was there, the Turbo Turtle was called in for the race. Now the rabbit was not aware, seeing this, who is this, who is new turtle? It is not the Peter who I was willing to race for, but it was not really bothered. So it said, "Yeah, let's give it a try, Peter or whoever it may be. It's still the turtle." So they all like started, and the race just began. And as they said, one, two, three, Turbo Turtle was as fast as it could. By the end of 5, it has crossed it has finished the race. Now the Peter was, the rabbit was surprised. How come a turtle can be so fast? That is when Peter said, "Not all days are same, so you need to know what you are messing with." That's a story, short story with the imagination. Thank you.